The Ofuzzi H9 Pro handheld vacuum is a highly portable and lightweight cleaning tool weighing just over 2 pounds, making it easy to carry and use for extended periods without fatigue. Equipped with an advanced brushless motor, this vacuum offers exceptional durability and energy efficiency, achieving up to 80,000 revolutions per minute while maintaining a low noise level of 79 decibels. The vacuum's powerful suction, rated at 40 air watts and 13 kilopascals, ensures thorough cleaning of various surfaces, including deep corners and crevices, thanks to its extra-long crevice tool. Featuring a bright LED light, the Ofuzzi H9 Pro excels in illuminating dark areas and corners, making it easier to spot and clean hidden debris. The device's LED display provides real-time information about battery life and speed settings, and the smart filter sensor alerts users when the filter needs cleaning, enhancing overall user experience. With a large 600-milliliter dustbin, an easy one-click debris emptying system, this vacuum minimizes interruptions during cleaning sessions and promotes a hassle-free maintenance routine.